Catch the rope, Toot, shouts Swo-Swoosh. I can help you. I can't stop. Uh-oh. How can Honk ride on top of the water? Asked Swo-Swoosh. Well, I know. The water has turned to ice. The ice is
weekdays at 30 on Kids Channel.
2 minutes later, the cops are gone. So yeah, this gun's really cool. It wants to